Talofa voucher is one of the most convenient ways that I'm finding now to do my shopping here at Farmer Joe, and my sister just sent through the voucher on my cell phone, and I just come straight to Farmer Joe to do my shopping.
Ole si tulanga pitusili ole tau. Ole lafo me ole pepa tala oloa. Ona whaangale e whaatau ai oloa e au ngā mole ainga.
I think it's really convenient for families overseas if they don't know how to help their families here. Then this is the perfect way.
Mai ai la sa suma fua tau e lisia sa.
Le fia foi sa we mo mawina le foi au nang fo e ala mai le talo for voucher. Ila wana whaatau ma me te mga oi. Ile voucher.
Tai mo le talo voucher ua maua le apususi o se wa fine. So se paro loa fai ngo fie. A me se le tferwa i mala telefoni. Tai mi uma. Ai lo le lafo me le cash. Ona inu e dor tamao le ainga.
Pa te tu lava le talo for voucher mo le foi au nang fo pa tai. Ma lu la le tam fai.
Pa tai talo voucher. Teki talo voucher.
Tau tua mare au nanga remote tau Samoa service station nei tona i matu. Ma tau te utuina lo ta vale, ma le tele onisi o matu au nanga i sesi. Ai le ngata foi le, ma tau te sea ke ina fo i lo ta vale. Siapa lah yang voice wow, mula ucapan. Afai foi vai pa olosa. Awala te pon, matu te siapa lah yang foi mula ucapan. Mulu no posila fia. Mua tapela ucapan le pe out. Lua tapela o telefone ni tai me utu ina le ucapan. Male vaenga mulu. Mana tua fo. E matua I whasa aina, lo tau makitapa ai no fuanga whapeni. Hota Samoa, ore mahota mo Samoa. Mato te fia e au auna pia mo oi Samoa. Maftaile fia mai, we'll see you again. God bless.
Talofa and warm Pacific greetings. Pea and we are sitting here for the very, very first time in the new Bluwave office, and we are in the new podcast studio, and we could not be more happier and more overwhelmed that this is literally the very, very first time that I've said this very first time so many times, but it's the first time we are in the new office, and we're just so excited and just so overwhelmed and blessed by all the blessings that are coming upon Bluwave. And for those of you that want to visit us at our new office, we are situated at 28D, right? 28D Lambie Drive in Manukau, which is just about like a minute drive from the Pacific Business Hub. But we are so happy because soon enough we are going to have our very first 2 guests on our new studio show. So yay!
I'm so excited, and once again a massive congratulations to Martin and the Bluwave team. Martin, I'm so proud of you. Oh, I'm gonna cry. Okay, I'm gonna stop before I start crying.
Yes.
Okay. But let's bring in it is emotional. Let's bring in our guests today. We are super honored and blessed to have Tracey and Janelle, the owner of Samoa Natural Products. Talofa lava, ladies, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Oh, look at you pretty ladies with your pretty smiles. And honestly, thank you, ladies, so much for joining us on the show. We did talk a little bit about what your business is, but if you could please introduce yourself, let us know, let our viewers know what villages you're from. That'll be really great. So we can start with you, Tracey.
Hi, my name is Tracey. I'm Samoan. I live here in Auckland. My dad's from Si'u and my mom's from Lona i Whangaroa and Te Whetoala as well. My dad's half Chinese as well, so I'm also Chinese, but fully identify as Samoan. Hi.
And Janelle, yes.
Talofa, my name is Janelle. I am half Samoan, half Palangi. Born here in Auckland, New Zealand, and I'm from the village of Tanunga Manono in Samoa. And I'm really passionate about Pasifika people in general and Pasifika business and sharing that with the world. So I'm a busy working mum, and yeah, that's pretty much me.
Oh, it's so good to have you both on. Ladies, look, tell us a little bit about your journey and where it all started with the awesome product. And you know what? I can't get over how good this is. And I'm going to open it again. And look, this is the scrub.
It's the smell that gets me. I have never smelled anything just so...
It smells like love, eh?
Love in a can.
Love in a can. And this is probably all a woman needs nowadays is love in a can. That's all you need. Rub it on your face.
Why not?
Why not? Easy. Just rub it on your face, put it back in the can.
It's only 2 p.m. in the afternoon, so we have to be mindful of who's watching this show. But please, ladies, we'll start with Janelle. Please tell us about your journey with Samoa Natural Products.
Yeah, sure. So Tracey and I met over a decade ago at university. We were both mothers and adults, and we were starting our journey of going to uni. And we met in a class. I think we had a task where we had to get in a group that was diverse and no one in the group could be of the same culture. Anyway, so we were going around the room sort of meeting people, and then Tracey, I think, thought I was Māori. And I knew she was Samoan just by looking at her. And then she asked me what I was. I said I was Samoan too, but she said she was Chinese. So I said, let's go with that. I'll be the Samoan, you can be the Chinese one. And we met up with a couple of people. And we did a group project together, and we became very, very good lifelong friends after that. And so I think after university, we were sort of figuring out what we were going to do. And we thought we'd both like to do something with, helping people in Samoa. And so it was at that time that we started our journey. We were actually importing and distributing cocoa beans from Samoa. So that's what the Koko Samoa is made of. And we were supplying chocolate companies in New Zealand and Australia for a long time.
Oh, so, yeah. Wow. Is there anything that you wanted to add to that, Tracey?
No, she got it all right. Yeah, so
bang on.
Really, one of the main things that we wanted to do was to be able to really help and support our farmers in Samoa. My dad used to own cocoa plantations when I was growing up, and I knew how difficult it was to be a farmer or even a farmer's child anyway. But the fact that we could be in a position to help Samoan farmers was really what we were gunning for at the beginning. And I'm really happy today to be able to, whenever I walk around and I see anything to do with Samoan cocoa, Samoan chocolate, anything like that in the stores, I'm really happy, because that's 12 years ago, you couldn't say that was something that you could readily see in a store. Whereas today it's fairly common to see Pasifika products, and especially something like that, like cocoa beans. And so, yeah, I'm just real glad to have been part of that journey, in our business journey as well.
Yeah, I agree, man. That's awesome. I love koko, and I love it even more now that Miss Koko Queen over here has confirmed that it comes from Peru. So it's one for us, eh? Koko.
One koko, 2 kokos become one. But ladies, before we talk a little bit more about your beautiful products, if you could each describe yourselves as a scent, what would that scent be and why?
Tracey,
we'll start with you.
Yes. Yeah, okay. I reckon I could probably, if I could describe myself, would probably be coffee. I love the smell of coffee. And coffee is one of those things where once you get a whiff of it, well, I personally do, I get a whiff of coffee. It just makes me smile. It's like a hug in the morning. And my kids say I give really good hugs. So that's taking it from there. Coffee is one of those things that brings people together, and I do like to be around my family, my husband and my children. I love bringing them together, and I think that's the scent that resonates with me.
Do you know, I don't drink coffee, but just listening to you describe coffee, I kind of want a coffee now. So,
do you know what? But I love coffee. My new, lately my new craze has been flat white. So must be because I love coffee that much.
Now, Janelle, before we get to you describing your scent, I just want to say a shout out to Vasa, who's tuned in, and she said that her scent would be a tropical breeze because she's full of flavors and smells of her tropical islands. I like that.
Nice. I really like that coffee scent.
I like that, yes. Now, what about you, Janelle? What scent will you be and why?
I'm going to go with cocoa butter, and I'm going to be cheeky, and I'm going to say because it's the white part that comes out of a cocoa bean. So that's me.
Oh, I like
white chocolate.
The white chocolate. But you know what? White chocolate's pretty good too. You know, I need to stop. Okay, let's carry on with the questions before I go off track with my...
Before the 2 p.m. show becomes an 11 p.m. show.
12 o'clock, more like it. But ladies, tell us about your range and what products you have available.
Okay, so I can go. So our range is basically, we're all about skincare. And what we have right now are 2 types of body butters. We've got, we have, the body butters come in 2 flavors, which is vanilla and manuka honey. The vanilla that we use is Tongan vanilla, and the manuka honey is from good old green New Zealand. The sugar scrubs that we use are made using Fijian sugar. And we have cacao and coffee flavors, and the cacao and the coffee are from Samoa as well. So what we try to do is we try to infuse flavors, and the ingredients that we have are all from the South Pacific. So it's New Zealand and other places in the Pacific. Due to COVID, we would have loved to have been able to go to other islands and source some more, but you know, we're working with what we have. We're also really proud to be able to say that we've got 2 other types of body butters and scrubs that we're launching tomorrow, as of tomorrow. So,
exciting.
Yeah. So just in time for Christmas. So they are papaya. So we've got a papaya body butter and papaya body scrub. And we've also got a collagen body butter and collagen body scrub. And they are amazing, phenomenal, really light, really beautiful scent. We're really proud of what we have, and we've tried it extensively on our own skins. And I like to say I've got really nice skin, and Janelle does too. And that's because of the natural products that we use.
And we're both nearly 40.
Yeah, I'm 40 in 2 weeks' time. So
what?
Say no more. Please tell me your whole range then.
Please, I need to scrub my face with this okay.
Yeah. But so your whole entire range are fully natural, organic products. Now we do have the cacao body scrub that smells like chocolate and smells so good. So we are actually going to do a first time thing on the show. We're actually going to taste it.
So you're telling me because it's all natural that I have kids. Yeah. So it's safe to leave this around, not like your normal chemical-filled products. And you're telling me that it's safe, that if I take a little taste of this product that I'm going to put on my mouth, that it's safe, all natural.
Yes, it's natural.
Yeah. I've got a 1-year-old as well.
Should we count you down?
Count down. Okay, I'm going to taste it.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my gosh, you can scrub your face and eat while you're scrubbing it, right?
Sounds like the ultimate Samoan product, right?
I'm just gonna say that I reckon this would make like a really nice like tea with the sugar.
Oh my gosh, this is so good.
I've thought of that too, just putting it in hot water and
Business idea. There we go, guys. I reckon
The generator. Oh my gosh. So
that's good. That's good.
So you could be just scrubbing your face like this and just be like, I'm just gonna have dinner.
Yeah, if you miss lunch and you're about to go scrub up, you've got a meal in one. So
have a little bit more.
It tastes good.
Okay, so just disclaimer for your viewers: this isn't a meal.
No. And we don't recommend you trying it because it actually tastes so good that you might not have any left to actually put on your skin. But it does taste really good, and we don't feel any side effects or anything at the moment. So yes, it is definitely all organic and natural.
All organic, natural skin product. We're just testing it to show all of our mums out there that you can look so sexy doing, using this product, and you are gonna be okay, and you're gonna feel safe. That if you just accidentally left it open and Talia went through and eating it, that it's okay. Definitely. But it's not dinner.
No. And talking about mums, I want to give a shout out to Nana Millie. She says that she loves Blue TV and she's watching, and she hopes that we are all good. Take care and stay safe. God bless. Thank you so much, Nana Millie. She's always tuning in, and she's actually the grandmother of one of our producers, Ryan. And we honestly appreciate all the love. And Nana Millie, definitely recommend these products, Samoan natural products. They're so good.
I'm so excited.
But okay, so the smell test, it passes the smell test with smashing colors. The taste test, not that we're recommending it, but it does pass with smashing numbers. But what is it about your range that stands out from everyone else's range?
I think for me, it is uniquely Pacifica products. So we use as many products as we can from all around the Pacific. So like Tracey said, the sugar scrubs the sugar's coming from Fiji, the coffee and the cacao comes from Samoa. We've got vanilla from Tonga. And so I think there's a lot of products out there, and I think a lot of them are great, and a lot of Pacifica business as well, but we can assertively say that we are helping families in these areas who do produce small batch produce that we are endeavouring to use in our products. And so when you buy our products, not only is it good for your skin and it works really great, but you're really helping little communities, little Pacifica communities here and overseas. So you can really feel good about what you're doing, what you're buying. And yeah, we're really, really proud of that.
I love that. And I was going to ask this next question, but I think we've seen the proof right there in the koko pudding. That because I was going to say what are the products best suited for, but man, if you want to look youthful and useful, let's just have to add them there. Well, useful
Vasa is asking, Bear. Did you say you're going to be bringing them on Saturday?
Saturday. You know what? Actually, I could take this Saturday and get the team out there to try it out. It's all natural, honestly, and it's probably going to be the gift that you want to buy as well for Christmas because it's so good. And it's such a bonus that it's all natural, and you're going to look at the ladies. Look at Tracey and Janelle.
But you're also going to do good for our community, so I want
to look good.
You already do look good.
I know, but look at this.
Bear 2.0.
Look at them. We're going to carry on. Sorry, ladies. With Christmas coming up, which products from your line would you recommend? Both our females or can men use it? So I think some of our men should scrub up as well.
Yeah, men can definitely use it. I mean, my husband uses the scrub on a Friday night. So the whole week he'll just work, but then on Friday he'll
I was going to say, so he's ready for the weekend?
So I've had to make him do it. So I will put him on a regime of the scrub on a Friday night, and then after that he'll do the body butter, and it does sort of relax you. It's a really relaxing and therapeutic exercise, and it's just a good way to just really set yourself up for the weekend. I would recommend the cacao body scrub and the vanilla body butter, although my husband does like the manuka honey body butter himself, just because if I use the vanilla body butter, that's the smell that I have, and he'll have the manuka honey, that's the scent that he'll use. But yeah, really with females, anybody can use, they can use any type of scrub or body butter, just from my opinion. It really varies from whoever I speak to, but they're all amazing products. I love using all of them.
What about yourself, Janelle?
Oh, well, my brothers, they have eczema and they use the Manuka honey body butter because it really helps. So it's a nice, thick, rich cream, and because it's natural, and a lot of the eczema creams contain a lot of high chemical content. And so they actually use it as a natural remedy for their eczema on their hands. So, yeah, so that's how my brothers use it, and they're male and they love it. So, yeah, our products are definitely diverse. They can be used by anyone.
I love that. And I'm just going to quickly put in just a question, because I know that you're sorry, Tracey, you've said that both yourself and your husband use the product. Do you think that your products are good for like a couple goal type product, like a go-to? Yeah Like, do you feel like that scent as well, like the aroma helps create the strong bond? Sorry,
you know where she's going.
Do you know what I mean?
I'm trying not to say too much because my daughter's actually just behind the screen.
Oh, right.
And she's telling not to hear me, but it's definitely a product that can be used by
for recreational purposes.
It's the whole scrubbing and lotioning is a really good team building activity.
That's the word.
And
couple goals,
It's great.
Do you know
there you go.
Vasa has recommended that Lorenzo purchase these products.
No, I really do recommend it. It's and once again, ladies, thank you so much for sending these through to us, because we're so blessed that you ladies were able to send this through. But sorry, ladies, we know that we do have to wrap up. So, ladies, it has been an absolute honour having you both on the show. But can you share with us your final words, or just words of encouragement, or just if you have any final words with regards to your service and your product?
Yeah, you can go to her. No, you go.
Okay, I just want to say, if you're a Pacifica person out there and there is something that you want to do or a dream that you have, there's nothing that you can't do. And I would suggest that you do your research, you get a network of people around you who can support you, and just go for it. If you have a business idea, just go for it. You're more than capable.
Yeah, and just on what Janelle said, I'm on the same vein. Her and I are pretty much in sync on that too. I really like the saying, the grass is greener when you water it. Make sure that you're watering your own grass with the right people that you're surrounding yourself with the right information. Make sure you're not surrounding yourself with like dead weight or people who don't want to support your goals and your dreams. And just keep pushing. Progress doesn't happen overnight, but it does if you just keep at it.
Amazing
I
words
love
of
that.
encouragement, ladies. We do have someone, Catherine, who's commented. She's asking, how do we get your products? And that, I think, is the most important question at the moment.
Easy. So you just go to our website, which is samoanatural.com, and you just click enter and it'll take you to the shop. Yeah.
Perfect.
We did also have another message that's come through, and that's via our YouTube channel as well. Do you deliver to Australia? Sorry.
Yes, we deliver worldwide, everywhere.
Oh, there you
I love that.
go.
And talking about YouTube as well, Blue TV, Bluwave, for every podcast show, we are also showing it live on YouTube, so you can actually chat away on YouTube as well. So we are expanding, which is always a very exciting feeling. But isn't that great? The girls literally ship worldwide, so wherever you are watching from the world, you can get your hands on these products.
Can look good and feel good and
Smell
get rid
good.
of the dead weight. Look, we're all about, and I want to say our team have been making slight changes. I'm not going to say big changes, because there's a few people that require a little bit of extra boost with energy drinks, but we are trying to, out with the health journey. So please, if you are needing the products, head over to the ladies' website. Otherwise, we will be sharing the information on our platform as well. a massive thank you to every single person that's tuned in, who has engaged with us, who's asked questions, who have shared the love throughout all of our Blue TV platforms. If you want to know a little bit about the health talanoa, stay tuned. Right after this is the brother Lorenzo, and right after Lorenzo, it's all about Samoa. We've got the brother Asiata as well this afternoon. Otherwise, that's it, ladies. It's been an absolute honour having you as our very first guest here on Blue TV, BluTable Podcast, Pea and Claudia, our new site.
I just had to take the moment in again that you are our very first guest at our very new studio. So it's a great feeling. But honestly, ladies, it's been so good to have you on the show, and I'm actually thinking I might just have another little nibble on that cacao body scrub. It tastes really good. But thank you so much, ladies, for joining us. And everyone that's watching, like, share, follow, purchase their products. There's only 31 days away from Christmas, and these will make the perfect Christmas. So,
and that's a good sorry gift too if you stuff up, guys.
Yes. But until tomorrow, have a very blessed hump day, and we will see you again next time.
God bless everyone.
Thank you.
Bye.
For the next generation of growers and farmers in the Pacific, may you find your own rhythm on the land. May you grow and teach others how to grow with love. May your skills and intuition continue to nourish, nurture, and advise those who need it.
Voucher is one of the most convenient ways that I'm finding now to do my shopping here at Farmer Joe, and my sister just sent through the voucher on my cell phone, and I just come straight here to Farmer Joe to do my shopping.
O le si tūlanga pitusili o le tāua. O le lafo me o le pepa tala o loa. O na whaanga le whaatau i o loa e au ngā mo le ainga.
I think it's really convenient for families overseas if they don't know how to help their families here. Then this is the perfect way.
Mai ai le sa sunga fua tau e le sia sa.
Le fia po i sa we mo mawina le foi au nang fo e ala mai le tala for voucher. Le wana whaatau ma me te mga oi ile voucher.
Tai mo le tala for voucher ua maua le apasusi o sewa fine. So se paro loa whaingo pie a mai se le te wherua i mana o telefoni taimi uma. Ai lo le lafo me le cash o na inu e nore tamao le ainga.
Whaptea tu lava le tala for voucher mo le foi au nang fo whaptai. Ma lua langa le tampai.
Tai tala for voucher. Teki tala for voucher.
Tau tua ma le au nanga remote tau Samoa service station nei tona i matu. Ma tau te utuina lo ta vale, ma le tele o nisi o matu au nanga i sesi. Ai le ngata foi le, ma tau te sea ke ina fo i lo ta vale. Siapa lah yang voice wow, mola ucapan. Apa itu yang baik pak urusan? Awalnya telepon, matu tu siapa lah yang voice mola ucapan. Mola unopo sila fia, mua, tapela ucapan le peaut. Mua, tapela telefon ni time utu ina ucapan. Malah baenga mulu. Mana tua fo e matua I whasaina lo tau makitapa ai no fuanga whapeni. Mata Samoa, ole mata mo Samoa. Mata te fia e au auna pea mo o Samoa. Maftaile fia mai. We'll see you again. God bless.